Oh my gosh, y'all. I just got out the tub and I just decided I'll make a quick video about this. So I was in the tub just relaxing, had my Airpods in, you know, listening to a few jams, and I went to go get out of the tub and wash myself, dry myself off. Still had my Airpods in. The right one slips out into the water. When I tell you, I freaked. So fast, so bad. Oh my gosh. So it had to stay at the bottom of the tub for maybe like, I don't know, a few seconds, because as soon as it went down, I hurried up and scooped it back up. It might have been less than a second. I don't really know. But I just wanted to make a quick video to show y'all how I actually ended up saving my AirPod, because I thought for sure it was gone. I just got it this Christmas, and like I was telling y'all on my other video, I am in love with these things. So it really hurt my heart when it hit the tub, the bottom of the tub. But anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video of how I saved my AirPods from their watery grave. Okay, so this is the right one right here. Okay, so what I did, and I will say this is what I did. I don't know, you can try it. I don't see any reason that you shouldn't be able to try it. I don't know what I'm trying to say. I'm still shook up right now, but this is what I did. Okay, so you see how the AirPods have holes like in the front right here, and then one on the side as well right here. So what I did was I took the side. Now if yours is mine, you know, mine was fairly new, so if yours is a little bit older, a little bit dirty, I would recommend that you hurry up and try to maybe take a Q-tip and clean that section out first. Okay, excuse my nails, by the way. I have to go get them redone. I'm really shaking up. Anyway, okay, so what I did was I took it and like I did CPR on it, basically. I took it and gave it mouth to mouth. And I took it and I blew into it. And when you're blowing, you want to make sure that you don't cover up this hole, or else you're really not going to get anywhere. So just keep blowing. And you can actually feel the air coming out on the other side. Okay, so yeah. I must have did that maybe about 2 minutes. Then this is a little sketchy. Y'all might think whatever you want about this stuff, but I did it. I don't care. Like I said, I was freaking out. Let me see if I bring the camera down a little bit. I took it and I sucked in it as well, so I went backwards with it too. Then after that, I may have done that for another minute. Then after that, I just let them sit in like a towel. I guess you can try rice if you want to. I'm not sure if that works or not, because I didn't try it. But I just left it sitting upside down so it won't get so much damage. Maybe I left it to the side. I forgot, y'all. Either to the side or up, so that if there was any more water, it would just try to flow back out of the AirPod. And I actually saved it. So what I neglected to tell you guys is when it dropped into the water and I hurried up and scooped it back out, I put it in my ear first just to see if it started. So after I did the sucking and blowing and the CPR and everything on it, the quality came back, but it wasn't as strong as the left one, the one that didn't get any damage to it. So I repeated the steps. I sucked and I blew, you know, and I did that again maybe for like another 2 minutes total, maybe, and I saved them. I did. I saved them. So, like I said, after that, I let them sit for maybe like an hour or two, and I didn't mess with them anymore. I didn't hurry up and put it back into the case itself, the charging case. I didn't do that, just in case if I did get any damage still to it, I didn't want to mess up my case. So I did not do that, but it worked. So tell me you guys' experience. Have you ever had this happened to you before? Like, it really shook. I was really shook. I'm still like, my heart is still kind of beating fast. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below, has this ever happened to you before? What did you do? Do you like my method? Do you not like my method? And for those of you who this end up happening to, try it out and let me know what happens. That's it for this video, guys. I just can't believe that. But I saved my AirPods, so give it a thumbs up. Like I said, comment, and please subscribe to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. See y'all in the next video. Peace.